Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, consumers are now bracing for increases in vegetable prices. The increases are likely to be felt in the days leading up to Christmas and have been linked to the recent destructive rains.
Agriculture Minister Floyd Green addressed the situation in the House of Representatives today. Andrea Chisholm has the details.
From drought to flood, the reality of farmers since the start of the year. But the mid-November flood has made a bad situation worse.
The damage assessment reveals that crop losses were significant, amounting to 173 million Jamaican dollars, impacting over 2,000 farmers. Livestock losses stand at roughly $26 million, affecting 550 farmers, while infrastructure damage accounts for about $64 million, which predominantly affected farm roads.
The parishes of Kingston, St. Andrews, St. Catherine and St. Thomas were mainly affected. The minister is now expecting a hike in prices, particularly vegetables.
We do expect that there will be a downturn in supply, which often gives rise to increase in prices. The aftermath of this disaster has also delayed land preparation and replanting by up to 3 weeks in the affected areas.
And so the ministry is offering a lifeline to farmers by supporting the replanting of crops and rehabilitating farm roads. $64 million has been set aside for these roads.
We'll be providing $15 million to help our livestock farmers, especially those impacted who are farmers of pigs, sheep, and goats. And that is in addition, Mr. Speaker, to $50 million which we had provided earlier in November. We will also be providing $8 million to treat with small tools and equipment replacement, and we'll be providing $70 million to help our vegetable and crop farmers. In total, members of the House, the government is providing $157 million to help our farmers recover and recover quickly.
Some farmers are also set to get a payout from insurance providers GK Insurance.
Pleased to announce that 27 farmers who were insured under the GK Weather Protect scheme and impacted by the recent rain are going to get payouts from the insurance scheme. Mr. Speaker, the farmers who are from Clarendon, Manchester and St. Elizabeth who took advantage of the government incentive regime and signed up for the basic coverage that was being provided. The total payout amounts to $675,000.
Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.